What's up, guys? It's Rap Fingerboarding. I just woke up, so I'm in my PJs, but I just woke up to this Swagway. I know this has nothing to do with fingerboarding, but yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. This is the box. This is the front. The side. The other side. This is like so heavy. So yeah. Here it comes with the pads that go on top, and this is charging. This is the actual another. I think this is the other charging. Yeah. That's it. I know how everyone says it's bigger than they think. And the pads. Oh. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks. Please subscribe, like, comment. Sorry, this has nothing to do with fingerboarding, but I just wanted to unbox it. So yeah, see you in the next video.